Welcome to Champion Aerospace, the world's premier aviation ignition manufacturer. The Champion Aerospace state-of-the-art 250,000 square foot facility in Liberty, South Carolina houses not only manufacturing, but engineering, research and development, customer support, and the other functions required to provide the aviation industry with the best products and services available today. Spark plugs are exposed to severe operational and environmental conditions, particularly in our air-cooled aviation engines. Champion's experience from the desert of the Reno Air Races back to the naval carrier-based Corsairs and Hellcats in World War II taught us that no steel, not even plated steel, provides adequate corrosion protection for an aviation spark plug. That is why Champion Aerospace, unlike other manufacturers, starts with a protective plating and adds the extra layer of high-temperature paint to achieve the necessary level of corrosion protection required to maintain the integrity of the spark plug. Any spark plug manufacturer will tell you that the true heart of any spark plug, no matter what the application, is the insulator core assembly. Champion Aerospace knows that the only way to exercise the required quality control over the research, design, and manufacture of our spark plug and turbine igniter insulator core assemblies is to house all facets in our Liberty, South Carolina facility. Champion Aerospace's proprietary ceramics, glasses, and glazes are developed, milled, spray-dried, pressed, and fired on-site to avoid having to rely on an outsourced ceramic supplier from outside the United States to maintain our stringent quality standards. Champion spark plugs are 100% made in the USA. Champion Aerospace has led the aviation spark plug industry in design and materials since we made our first aviation-specific aircraft spark plugs in the 1920s. Champion has invested significantly in automation of its spark plug assemblies and top-level assemblies to ensure repeatable and reliable assembly to meet the highest quality standards of the industry. It is also noteworthy to state that Champion's quality management system meets requirements of ISO 9001 and AS 9100 standards, unlike our competition. Champion shifted into a voltage-dependent carbide silicone resistor design to prolong plug life in the 1950s. The 1980s brought our update from a Silament core shell seal to the more robust hot lock sealing process. 2014 saw the culmination of years of research and testing when Champion Aerospace adapted our proven turbine igniter insulator core technology for use in piston engine spark plugs. And today, teams of Champion Aerospace engineers are working toward the next major step forward for aviation ignition products. Always keeping our focus on providing reliability and performance to the aviation community, Champion Aerospace spark plugs are designed for ease of cleaning and servicing in any maintenance shop. Electrode erosion is a fact of operation. Spark plug electrode gaps must be adjusted to give access to the available electrode material and achieve maximum life. With Champion spark plugs, unlike other brands, the Iridium electrode fine wire spark plug design can be easily reset with readily available gapping tool. Thanks for joining me today to learn more about Champion spark plugs and what 100 years of service, pedigree, and innovation can do for general aviation professionals or enthusiasts.